loaded passengers, heavy cargoes, and heat rising. Your engine works non-stop, and overheating is always a risk. Protect your vehicle with Evercool Radiator, your partner in top cooling performance. Evercool Radiator is built with high-quality materials and meets OEM standards for a superior cooling performance you can rely on. Tested in real-world conditions to deliver the durability you need for smoother and worry-free drives. No breakdowns, no overheats, just top cooling for every load you carry. Passengers or packages, loaded trips or heavy cargo, Evercool Radiator keeps you cool, no matter the ride. Upgrade now and be confident with Evercool Radiator.